Good morning from Isan. Over there is the original 6-panel, approximately 3 kilowatt solar array installed by a local company when they did a DC well pump controller for us. They are 555 watt Loei panels. And to the right is the newly constructed pump stroke powerhouse with an additional 3 555 watt Loei panels. I had to get them to match the exact ones as that, just for the inverter. I had the local company install them on the roof because I didn't feel like doing the roof work myself, and we now have 9 panels in series for a total of approximately 4,950 watts of solar generation, which will feed into the inverter, which I'll show you in a second. And this is the inside of the pump stroke powerhouse. As you can see, we have a Power Mister 6 kilowatt inverter there. We have the solar surge protection and disconnect. We have the secondary power output from the inverter, which stays online the longest. We have the primary power output, which power gets suspended to that when the battery reaches 20%. At 20% or lower, only this one provides power, which currently is only connected to this light and the fridge behind me. Down below we have 2 LV Topsun 15.36 kilowatt hour LifePro 4 power walls, purchased locally for approximately 62,000 baht each, delivered. Please excuse the noise, as the pump stroke powerhouse is also doubling as a storage room stroke electronic appliance kitchen, etc.